showing how the monthly payment model plan works. I'm inside configurations and payment settings. This is where you can set up all your plans. And I just want to show you the details of this plan before I go to a customer file and show you how the system works with the invoicing. So inside the plans, you can set up a plan name, a consultation audit fee, and the monthly recurring charge you're going to start charging your client. So the billing cycle needs to have a number, and this will be the amount of months that you're planning on working with your clients. The pre-authorization setup, depending on the payment method your customer is going to be using. This is specifically for credit cards. You can pre-authorize the payment for up to 15 days prior to the due date, and according to that, first invoice is going to be created, but it's not really going to charge your client. It's just the pre-authorization. You can also set an invoice up to 15 days. That's just a notification to your client, not an actual charge. Just in case a transaction fails for that credit card, you can set up transaction retries. System gives you up to 3 times that you can try again, and days between retries will be to the amount of days we're going to wait until from one retry to the other. So once this is all set up, you can save your plans. And now we're going to be moving on to the customer file to see how it actually works. This will be the customer file. I have a test customer right here. In the billing data review workflow step, we're going to be selecting the plan we're going to be choosing for the client. So as soon as we select the plan we want for them, if it's a monthly plan, immediately you're going to see the next billing date. So this date right here is going to tell the system when the monthly recurring charge needs to be charged. And based on the payment method we have for our customer, it's how that payment is going to go. This client is a cash customer, so that means that on this date, the system is going to generate an unpaid invoice for the amount of the monthly recurring charge, but it's going to give me the option to manually mark it as paid. So that's how the cash option and the check option works. Now if we have a credit card or an ACH payment method, then on the next billing date, the system is going to run that transaction automatically, and on your payment section for this client, which is right here, you're just going to find a paid invoice if the transaction is successful. So since this is a cash customer, let's go to the payment section, and we already have here a renewal. The monthly recurring charge sale type of invoice is called renewal. So let's open it up, and here is the payment method and the option to mark it as paid. So let's say we already got our payment from our client. This is all we need to do. We click on mark as paid, and the system is going to refresh, and it's going to change my status to paid. So now my customer has in the transaction log the date I captured this payment by cash. So now we just need to wait for next month. We have a brand new next billing date, and this process is going to go over again. So this is how the monthly plan works within the ScoreCEO platform.